Hi everyone, welcome in our how-to video about the i360. But first of all, what is the i360? Well, the i360 is a digital flip chart with a very intuitive whiteboard application, video conferencing and wireless presenting tool. Also, the i360 is very mobile thanks to its big wheels and, very important, it fits through every door. You can use the i360 in landscape mode or in portrait mode. Let's dig into all the details. Let me start up the i360 and see here the startup screen. As you can see, the whiteboard application will automatically open when you start up the i360. You can write with the pen, and the natural behavior of your finger is the erase. But of course, you can also write with your finger. Let me show you how it works. So you open the menu, you select the pen, choose the color you want to write with, select the thickness of the line, and start writing with your finger. It's very easy. You can also use your whiteboarding application in landscape mode. Let's open a new page. Click here on the plus. And now you can write on a new page. Let me show you that the pen is pressure sensitive. So the harder you press on the pen, the thicker the line gets. Also what's cool is the 4-finger erase. So you can use your 4 fingers to erase a big part of the screen. Just like this. Now, let's go to the browser. Also here, you can make some annotations in the browser and save it in your whiteboard application. So let's make some annotation in our browser. Now go to the menu. Also here, you can write with your finger by choosing the pen, choosing the color and the line thickness. But when we want to save it in our whiteboard application, we go to the whiteboard icon. You can click on it. You can take a print screen of your whole screen, or you can just take a screenshot of several parts of the browser. But let's take a whole print screen. And as you can see, a screenshot has been sent to our whiteboard. So let's go back to our whiteboard application. And as you can see here, the print screen is been loading. Of course, when you're done writing, you want to save your notes and share it with your colleagues. So just open the menu, click on the save button. Then you have the option to email it as PDF, to export it to your USB stick, or to direct download it as PDF via a QR code. Open a QR code, grab your phone, and scan the code with your phone. And you will see that the PDF gets downloaded. This is our home screen of our i3SIXTY app. In just 3 easy steps, you can connect your device. Depending on which brand you are using, the 3 steps are customized. Windows, Android, Apple, iOS and macOS, and our HDMI transmitter, which allows you to present wirelessly at one click of a button. If you want to know more about this application, then please watch our how-to video about our i3SIXTY. Let me show you our Cast2 feature. This means that you can present your i360 screen to another i3 display. This can be an i3 Huddle 3.0, an i3 Touch B-Series or E-Series, or just another i360. In the future, this can also be an i3 projector. But before you start, make sure that you have the latest version of the i3SIXTY. Now, let me show you how it works. Select the right device name, which is here the i3 Huddle. Now you have to enter the code which is shown on the i3 Huddle. In this case, it's 5312. And now your screen will be mirrored. And you can start taking your notes. Imagine that you have a presentation in front of a big audience. Then you can take your notes on your i360 and your audience can follow on a big screen. It's very easy to have a video meeting with our integrated microphone and camera. You can start your meeting at one click of a button. Hi! Okay, let's round up with a few settings. It's very easy to change the volume via your hamburger menu. You can also customize your hamburger menu. This means that you can choose which icons are being shown and which are being hidden. You can do it via your settings. When you click on a button, you can shut it off or you can put them on. Also, you can find some other settings like your whiteboarding settings. I hope you enjoyed the video and remember, you can use the i360 for easy whiteboarding, video meeting, wireless presenting, and you can also browse the web.